Hello everybody, today for repair an power supply. It was sent to me by a guy who watched my YouTube videos. As you can see, this is Fractal ION Gold 850 watts. Quite a good power supply. I suppose it's at least a brand in my opinion. Here are some cables. We don't need all of them. We need only 24 pin for testing, and the power supply itself as well. That's the power supply. The guy who sent it to me said he opened it. As you can see, this was opened, but he didn't see any problems why this power supply is not working. So let's check it together, try to find the problem. First, I connect the power cord, connect my tester, DIY tester, which I should made video about, but I don't have time for this. I hope someday I will find time. As always, I first connect the power supplies via isolating transformer and a light bulb in order to protect the power supply and my grid. As you probably see, the lamp is glowing, so the fuse is not blown. The power supply tries to start, but for some reason it goes off. So there is definitely a problem, and in order to find it, we should open the power supply and check everything carefully. So let's open it and see. I removed the screws. Now let's remove the cover. The power supply is clean. At first sight there is nothing obvious, so I should remove the PCB just like this. Don't forget to discharge the bulk capacitor, because it can be charged up to 380 volts, which is quite a lot. And after looking at the power supply more carefully, I've noticed that two transistors are completely blown. You cannot see it properly, but believe me, these are blown. So I have to remove those, which I did. And as you can see, the cover of those transistors are blown. After that, I check the gates, and it looks okay to me, because those transistors are driven via a transformer, and the controller, which I'm going to show you right now, is on the secondary side, so it shouldn't be blown. It is a very popular one. You can find it in many power supplies. Okay, let's remove the transistors. I usually use used ones from old power supplies, because I can't find original transistors in China. Actually, you can find it, but it's not very easy. And Mauser and other original platforms, first very expensive, and second, I don't want you to tell the reason, the second reason. Anyway, I'm gonna use used ones, the original ones. It is 600 volts, 20 amps. That's you should expect and find in power supplies like this. 700 and 800, 20 amps usually is okay. Don't forget to put thermal grease. I don't know why, but there is always white thermal grease, not gray ones, only white. Okay, let's put it back like so. After that, obviously, we should solder it, and we should be good, right? I think so. Okay, let's connect the cord as before. Connect 24 pins. Not very easy to do. Okay, and the tester, same tester, same everything. Only transistors are different, and it should make a difference. Okay, turn on the power, and lamp blinked as before. Green light is present. I shunted the lamp. Now let's try. As you can see, the power supply started, then turned off because my isolating transformer is quite weak and it cannot supply enough current for PFC work properly. But anyway, I know that the power supply now is working. I'm ready to put everything back and test one more time. So this is the result. Now I connected the mains directly, and now I'm using another tester, a professional one. We can see all the voltages, we can see power good signal. It has to be from 100 milliseconds to 500 milliseconds, and here we have that value, which is good. I'm gonna load the power supply. I have this load 500 watts. Also, I can connect another load with those clamps. Let's connect. I'm gonna load 12 volts line because it's power supply, and most of new modern power supplies usually have only one output, 12 volts, and 3.3 and 5 volts are created with help of DC-DC converters. So 12 volts is the main value, and as you can see, everything is fine. 500 watts the power supply is supplying, and by that we've confirmed that the power supply is ready to be used and make his owner happy. So this is it for today. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a like and see you next time. Bye.